everyone, it's me Bella and welcome back or welcome to my channel. Today I have a very exciting video planned, so let's get to it. Here I have this very cool do-it-yourself 3D sticker maker, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use it, and I'm also going to be reviewing it because I haven't not used this yet. It's by the brand Activity Kings. It's called We Call ILY Go Shine Today. Yeah, it's actually like very attractive packaging. This is the sticker maker, and these people look very happy about their stickers. Here it says 2 bonus foil stickers included. Maybe there's just going to be like 2 bonus stickers that aren't 3D. And yeah, I love how the sticker maker is like an emoji. I love that. It's such a nice concept. Here's some like ideas of things you can make, and it makes 30 3D sticker shakers. So it also adds experience. It's gonna be really fun. And here's like little instructions. It says load it, press it, stick it. Fascinating. See what's at the back? On the back is like what's inside. There's 30 3D blisters, 150 gems, awesome mixins, and 30 stickers, which of course includes 2 foil stickers. And here's just contents. It says 1 3D sticker maker, 30 sticker blisters, 30 sticker backgrounds, 30 blister trays, 1 sprinkle packet, ooh that's gonna be nice, 2 glitter packets, and 150 gems. That's more than enough. And yeah, I can't wait, so let's get to it. Oh yeah, I love that. Like a dog doing the peace sign. Let's open it up. Okay guys, I'm back in. Everything's been taken out of the box. I have my little maker. I have my sprinkles and like all my add-ins, my I don't know how to say it, the base I guess, like the design. This is also kind of a base, and these are the part of the sticker that makes it 3D. There's a lot in here, but I didn't expect everything to be so small. I thought it'd be like quite big. But yeah. So first I'm going to put everything aside and look at the sheet. This is the instructions. Fascinating. It says, choose a 3D sticker shape you want to make, heart, star, circle, or square. You will need to select the same shape, 3D sticker blister, tray, and sticker background. Wow, that is that's a tongue twister. Okay, so I've got to get this, open it up, go put this aside for now. I'm going to choose my shape. Yay. Okay, we've got to open this up. See? Ooh, there's hearts. I think I want to do a star. Okay, I'm going to do a star. Guessing I have to pop out all of these things. Here it says, open the 3D sticker maker, which I've already done, and place the blister tray in by lining up the 4 holes. This way. Perfect. Please place the blister tray in the same direction as the picture on the left. Okay. Yes. Now place the sticker blister in the blister tray. This has lots of tongue twisters. Okay, so now should I put this aside for a bit? And I'm going to get my star-shaped blister. They call them blisters. It's so tiny. Okay, we're gonna put it in. Perfect. It now says, add your favorite mix-ins to your 3D sticker blister. Glitter, gems, or sprinkles, or a combination. You can even use any glitter you have at home. Don't want to put anything in your 3D sticker? That's fine too. You can also make 3D sticker with no mix-ins. Wait. Oh, I want to see where the sprinkles are. Oh, they're here. Where are the bonus foil stickers? I haven't seen them. Okay. These are the... I'm guessing this is what they mean by sprinkles, and they look like clay beads. And the gems. Oh, I get it now. Like these are. This kind of reminds me of like clay beads without the holes in them. Okay. And this one is like very similar to this, except it's a glitter version of it. So that's why I'm gonna use these two together. Yay. Why is this so fun? I love it. It's like such a fun activity already. I've got to put like a pinch of this. I don't want to overfill it. Oh, I've already overfilled it a lot. Let me just take out a bit. Oh. What about I just take this out? Don't need to follow it step by step. Still gonna be the same fabulous shaker maker sticker. Like, it's gonna be so fun because then like you can shake the sticker around as well. Yay, I did it. It's really looking fabulous. Okay, that didn't work out. Now how do I get that off? Oh. Of course I need to find a way to make this hard. Here we go. Perfect. Now, I should select a sticker background that matches the shape of the sticker blister you selected. Heart, star, circle or square. And peel off the white paper, allowing the sticker background to reveal the adhesive. See image on the left. Okay. So these are the ones with the stars. So I'm gonna look here. So, I'm still wondering where they put my bonus stickers though. I was really looking forward to those bonus 2 stickers. Okay, let's look through. Oh, they're all so funny. This one's a little rooster. Oh, this tiger's so cute. Guts. There's so many selections. Okay, I'm gonna think about that one. Oh, this is when it starts getting into the hearts. Okay. Like this has lots of animals, so should I do this unicorn thing? I like the llama, it's so cool. Okay, so now I have to peel. First I'm gonna pop off everything here. I wonder if you need to pop it off though, like. Guys, I really recommend this for like a Christmas gift or like a birthday gift. It's really great. Okay, finally I popped out all those. Now I've got to peel this off. This sticky part. Great. And now I've got to place it down like so. Okay. Now it's said, place the sticker background on the 3D, yep, that's it. Close the 3D sticker maker lid and press the button at the top of the lid. Watch as your 3D sticker pops out. Okay, let's see. We're gonna close it. This is so exciting. Let's see. Oh! Oh, sadly I can't see the little giraffe guy. Yay! Like, do you peel it here? Why do you peel it? Did I do it wrong? I'm confused. It's probably like here somewhere. Oh yeah, you can peel it. Oh, that's awesome. I'm not gonna peel it now because there's nowhere I can put it, but I love it. Got our first sticker. And now I'm gonna do it, but with a twist. I'm going to use my own little add-ins. Now seeing how small it is, I'm probably gonna not use these as much add-ins. But yeah, I choose like a heart, smiley face vibe, like purple and that kind of stuff. And I mixed in some gold with it as well. But let's put that aside for a bit. And this time I'm just going to do a normal square because, I don't know. Let's get the squares. Square. We got our square base thing, whatever. This is such a fun activity. I'm probably gonna make all the 3D stickers and like, oh, this is like, ooh, this is the remains. This is like how it works. It just popped it off. I'm probably going to use it all in the span of like 10 minutes. Because it's actually like a really fast activity, but it's still really, really fun. So, I'm gonna put these hearts, this smiley face, this gold bead, and this other gold bead. I'm not gonna add the purple hearts because they seem too big. But yeah, this is gonna be such a fun sticker. And now I'm gonna choose my, what's it called? My sticker. But sadly I never found my two free foil stickers. That hurt my feelings. Okay. This is the last chance where I can find it. Here it is! It's beautiful, like see, I think what it means is like, it's like, it has these like, things where you turn it, that's so cool. Okay, I'm happy now. Look at the smiley face, that kind of looks AI generated. Got this, I'm looking for like something, the dog. The dog doesn't match it though, this purple smiley face maybe, that's where it starts getting into circles. So, I'm probably going to use this purple smiley face because it fits the vibe. I'm going to put these guys aside for later. Adorable. Oh! Oh, that was close. Let me just pop it out. This is actually so fun. Anyone could do something like this. It's so great. Okay, we've got to pop it down. Oh, this is where like the sticker part of it is. Oh, I almost forgot. I almost forgot to peel this part off. That would have been a catastrophe. Oh no, I peeled it off wrong. I keep peeling it off wrong. There we go, finally. I was like, actually like peeling it. You know like when you have stickers and then you peel the wrong part, it's like really, really annoying. Something like that. Oh, that one popped out. This one's so cool. Like, this one turned out better than the other one because you can like actually see the face. The golden beads aren't moving. That's fine though. Yeah, these are the stickers I made with my very awesome 3D sticker maker. It's like they're so cute as well. I'm definitely going to use them in like a scrapbook or something. It's such a good activity. It's kind of like a fidget toy as well. You can just like squeeze it a bit. But it's such a great idea. I actually totally recommend this. It's a great gift. Or just like a hobby, or like when you're bored you can do it. It like reduces screen time because it's just so fun and it unleashes your creativity. But yeah, I love it. I rate it a 10 out of 10, definitely. And yeah, the 3D sticker maker is a pass. I loved it. And yeah, now I'm going to show you some more stickers that I made with the 3D sticker maker. Okay, so here I have my finished stickers. I love them all. But here's the big test. Will they stick? So let me just put these aside. Here, I have a card that I made for my dad for Valentine's Day. As you know, it's passed. And I'm just gonna stick some stickers on it and hopefully he'll like them. First, I'm gonna put this heart one because I love him so much. Like so. Okay, I'm gonna put one more in this corner. I think I'm just gonna put this one because I think he'll like it since it's holographic. Oop, it fell. But yeah, they do stick. They're pretty good. The adhesive's pretty strong. It adds so much to the it adds so much to the card. It's so like, I love it. The stick is such a great creative idea. It gives you stickers if you love stickers like I do. I think it's really great like arts and crafts, and you can make stickers like this by yourself as well. You can like get like something like a blister from anything really. You can like cut a piece of plastic, anything. So yeah, thank you so much for watching today. I appreciate every single one of you. And if you like more videos like this, you can drop me a subscribe, like and comment any more video ideas. But yeah, if you'd like to support me even further, you can buy me a coffee on buymeacoffee.com. The support you already give me isn't enough. And make sure you check out my bracelet that I am selling on my YouTube store. They are very, very fashionable. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye!